Hi guys, my name is Abdul Basit and in this video I will tell you how to make an iOS app. We will make a simple app from scratch. So let's continue. So this is the demo of the app we will make in this tutorial. It will have two text fields in which user can enter number. Like I can enter 4 and 2. So if we click on add button, it will add and show the answer here. Your answer is this. And if we do subtract, it will subtract number 2 from number 1. It will show 2. And if we want to multiply, we can do multiply, and divide will show answer like this. So if we replace checking number with 0 and 2 divide, then it will show invalid because it can be divided. So first of all, for iOS development, you need Xcode. So you will need to go to App Store and search for Xcode. I have already downloaded Xcode. You need to download it and install it. So after you have downloaded Xcode and installed it, you need to run it. We need to run Xcode. So these are the previous projects, your recent projects, and if you have just installed Xcode, there will be no projects here. So you will need to create a new Xcode project. So click here. So you need to select iOS as we are making app for iPhone or iPad and click single view application. Click next. So you need to give your app a name. I am going to write my calculator. So you have to give an organization name just like your company name, or maybe you can write your name. An organization identifier. So normally the identifier is written as you write the name of your domain backwards, just like this, and the language is Swift. And we can, if you want to make an app specifically for iPhone, you will select iPhone. Otherwise, you can select iPad or Universal. Universal means it will work both on iPhone and iPad. You click next. It will ask where do you want to create the project. I am going to create project on desktop, so I am clicking on create. So first of all, let me tell you something about basic structure of Xcode. So this is Project Explorer where all your files appear. So these are the files in my project. So for this project, we will be mainly working with two files, main.storyboard, which is the front or GUI of your application, and view controller, which is a backend, which is managing this view. And so when you click on main.storyboard, you can see this is a view we can make. So there are some buttons on top right, which I want to tell you guys. So if you see these double circles, so when you click there, it will make a window double, like your window will split in half and you can open two files at once, just like your view controller and your storyboard. So if you want to hide some tab, hide some sidebar, these are the buttons in top right, just like this, to get more space for working. Okay, let's continue. So switch to single mode by clicking here, this line in the top right. Open main.storyboard. So what we will be making? What we will make is we are making a simple calculator. So our calculator will have two text fields, and user can enter numbers in those text fields. And there will be four buttons: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So if the user clicks add, it will add those two numbers and show it in a label. You will know what a label is. So, and same for subtract, multiply, and divide. So if a user clicks on divide, it will divide the first number by second number. But if second number is 0, then it will just show invalid answer or something like that. So let's continue. So first of all, in the right bar, you see here, you have these four options. You need to click this one and search for text field. Text field. You need to drag and drop text field here. Move it up and go left until these lines appear. After these lines appear, you can just expand it to the full height until another line appears like this. Drag another text field below it on the left, and when line appears, expand it to full width like this, and these are two text fields. So click on first text field and you can see on the right bar there are different properties you can set. We will only set the placeholder. Enter first number. So try this in the placeholder option, and when you click enter you will see enter first number appears. Same for second text field, but try enter second number. So it will appear here. So now we need to add buttons. We need four buttons: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Right, add. Click on a button to aggregate and write subtract. You can just copy paste it too, but I am just dragging them. Add, subtract, multiply, oh, multiply, and divide. So just move add to left until the margin appears, and subtract to left until margin appears, and multiply to left until margin line appears, and divide to left. So this will be the main view of our application, but we need something to show our answer. So for showing some text, we use labels. So search for label and move it towards center like this, and write your answer is. Move it to center again until both lines appear. So your answer, if we need another label below it in the center like this, and for now we will write 0 and move it in the center. Oh, let me like this. Maybe you can expand it to full width, but it's quite optional. And more and make the text center like this. So, but the problem is if you run the application now, let me run the application for you guys. If you run the application now, so our view will not appear like this because we have not like specified at what margin or at what are the constraints for these views. So you can see nothing appears here because everyone is quiet up, and now it is quite messed up. Your text fields are off the screen and your answer is not center aligned. So we need to add constraints. We can add manual constraints, but as this is a beginner tutorial, I will tell you an awesome iPhone Xcode functionality. It can add constraints by itself. So select view controller, go to editor, dissolve auto layout issues, and reset to suggested constraints. So it will automatically add constraints based on our view now. So when we add constraint and run it again, okay, so it's okay now. As you can see, our text fields are exactly how we want them, and our all buttons are there, they don't do anything now because for now, because we have not told them what they need to do. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So that was for it for the view. That was it. Let's write view controller now. So our view controller is a file that is managing this view. But the problem is view controller does not know if this text field have like exists in this view or not. So we will need to add reference to these buttons and text fields in view. So now go to the double screen view, which which will add two files here. So you need to hide this to have more space. You can hide this by pressing this button here at bottom. Now this is our view and this is a file that is managing this view. So first we need to do is we need to add reference to these text fields in our view controller. So click on first text field, press control, the control button, and click and drag here. We need an outlet and name it like first number field. Okay, do the same for second number field, and same for this answer field. Okay, we need to change, we don't need to change this line, so we don't need any reference for that. It needs to remain the same. So these are our outlets. Now we need to do something for our button, but as we don't need to change properties of our button, so we don't need IB outlet. What we need to do is we need to add actions, like we need to tell view controller what actions to perform when a specific button is pressed. So click on a button and do the same. Press control and drag it here and change outlet to action and name it like add pressed. So whenever this button is pressed, the view controller will call this function, and so we will add some functionality here and do same for all four other buttons. Subtract, press, multiply, press. Oh, I did something wrong. I need to remove it. But the problem is now I need to go here and click on the right one, the connection inspector, and see if there is subtract. No, it's fine. First number field, yeah, it's fine. So I press Command Z. You can do that too. So what I needed to do was I needed to change outlet to action, which I forgot. So right, change it to action and write subtract press and do same for multiply and divide. Multiply press. Oh, command Z will remove that connection. I forget it every time. Okay, change outlet to action and write multiply press and for divide to same. I'm going to remember it this time. Change it outlet to action and write divide press. Okay, so we have all four functions. We can now just go to single screen view, open our view controller.zip file. Now, now we need to add functionality to these functions, these buttons. So what do we need to do when add is pressed? We need to get values from those two fields, add them, and show them in the answer label. So follow me as I do this. Right, make a variable. As we are not changing, we will not be changing the variable, so we can write let. So the difference between variable and let is you can change value of variable afterwards, but let is constant and you cannot change its value. So let first number is equal to, so we have first number field and we want this text, and we need to add an exclamation mark, but it's required, so it is an optional value, so we need to add exclamation mark, but you can just do it now, do it for now, and try second number is equal to second number field dot test, and now we need to add them. Let answer is equal to, we need to change them to integer because they have it has taken them like string, so we need to write int and pass this number in brackets, int first number plus int second number. So now our answer is this in this variable. Now what we need to do, how click here, it will ask you to enter exclamation mark, add them. So now we are good. Now we just need to change the answer label. So we have answer field, right? Answer field dot test is equal to answer. Okay, so let's run our app now. Oh, so this answer is an integer now, and the text is a string. So we need to change it to string now. So write string just like we write int and pass this answer to string and run it now, and it should run. So write any number in above field, then in second field and click add. Oh, our answer is 6. So if you write 14, our answer should be 16. I am back with math, so the application is useful for me. Oh, so this is your first tutorial and you have already started making useful applications. You can publish it to App Store now. Okay, now we need to copy all this for all other fields too. For subtract, just change plus to minus and we are good. For multiply, change to multiply and we are good. For divide, so for divide, we have taken first number, then second number, then I think what we need to do is we need to have we need to check if second number is not 0. So what we can do is let number is equal to integer second number. I am making another variable for now to make it simple, and we can check if number is not equal to 0 because division is not possible if second number is 0. So now we can just make plus to divide, and we can change it to number, otherwise second number will also work. If number is not equal to 0, do this, else what we want to do, we want to change the test to invalid. Answer field dot test is equal to invalid. So we need to add exclamation mark, just add exclamation mark and click run. Oh, so now I have removed the last exclamation mark. So first number is 4, second number is 2. If we add them, answer is 6. If we subtract them, answer should be 2. I'm good with math. So if we multiply them, answer should be 8. And if we divide them, answer should be 2 again. But if we change our second number to 0, then answer should be invalid. So our app is working now. And this is what we wanted to make. So guys, that's all for this tutorial. Like, without saying, I don't need to say this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will be making more videos, so if you have just started iOS development and or want to learn iOS development, to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will also make videos for Android, so if you want to learn Android, this is the right channel for you. So guys, see you in next video. Bye.